my friends, it's Kathy again. I'm glad you could stop by, and today's video is going to be all about the Ipsy Ultimate for February 2020. So before we begin, if you're new to my channel, I'm glad that you stopped by, and I really appreciate you seeing the entire video, and a big thumbs up and a subscribe button below and a little bell at the end of the video would really be appreciated. And you know what? I always welcome comments, and I really enjoy talking and chatting with you, so don't forget to do so. Anyways, here's the box, and here it is. This is the Ultimate, and this is monthly. It's about 50 bucks, and there's 3 levels. I only do 2 of the box, the Plus and the Premium. And let's see what we've got going on in here. I've opened up the package here so I don't waste my time, because you know it takes me forever and a day. So anyways, you open it up, and this is what you see right there. Discover yourself, and it has all the little packagings in it. So let's jump on board. Oops, let me have this situated here. I'm getting all wonky. You know that's my favorite word, but we'll get there. Anyways, we open it up. First up we have is a little card, and it says "Feel the Love." There it is. And it says, "Will you be my Valentine? Hey you." Really cool. And usually there's a little card in here with all the stuff and the description, which I'm not seeing, so I'll just have to wing it. First thing, which I love, are the bags in the Ultimate, and they are really cool. This month is, look at this. It is a nice kind of soft, velvety kind of, texture to it with this beautiful pink. Look at this, we're all in a pink mode here. Anyways, it has look at how it is inside, really nice and roomy. And the only one thing is it makes that crinkly noise. I don't know if you can hear that, but it has the really nice, dark colored burgundy kind of color, contrast, zipper. Look at this, really nice, and it says Ipsy on the side right here, which I really appreciate. Oh, look at that, it even matches my nail polish. Talk about a day. Okay, I did not plan that. I have Nature's Cartel right here, and let's see what this is. This is, it looks like there's some 3 eyeshadow pots in here, and it says that it's vegan. So let's take a peek at this. Ooh, 3 of them is not kidding, and these are kind of remind me of the pots for ColourPop. So here they are, and there's 3 colors on this. Really nice, and the colors are 90s Nude, Tom Line from Tashi, and then we have the next one is Champagne Scandal. Here's the color on one of them. This is Champagne Scandal, and then the other one, this is really dark. This is right there, look at that. And this is color Tan Line from Tahiti. Boy, was I wrong with that one my first round. So anyway, so 3 nice little pots of eyeshadow. Really appreciate that. And they're cruelty-free and vegan, so that's pretty cool. I know I really like that transition. Next up we have is, what is this called? Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask, Ultra Concentrated Toning Gel. Right there we are. See that? Really nice. And let's open it up. And it has the protective coating on it, but it's kind of, I don't know what it looks like, but kind of interesting. From Pacifica Rose Water Makeup Removing Wipes. I really enjoy getting these, but in one of the Glam bags. This is one of those kind of deluxe size sample ones. Is, ooh, the Violet Voss Berry Burst Mini Fun Sized eyeshadow palette. Here's the back side of it. I've done several reviews on Violet Voss, the the sorbet and also the limeade. So they're really beautiful, you know, palettes. This one's been out for about a year now. Let's look at this in person. And here's the actual palette. It's a nice little, you know, paper one. It has a nice little mirror. And here's the colors. Ooh, talk about the berry colors. I am loving this. You know, I'm doing a lot of berry colors right now, and these are really beautiful. And you can do a lot of looks with this. So, really nice. So, next up I have is from Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Okay, and it has soy peptides, rice bran, helps reduce everyday puffiness and fine lines. Okay, here it looks like right there. And, ooh, it's a nice little pump. Let's see what we got here. Pops out in a little dot. Doesn't have a smell to it, which is really nice, and it really does absorb. So I'm going to give this a whirl, you know, especially, you know, when you get a little bit older, past 25, you know, you start getting those wrinkles here and you get the dark circles, you know, it just happens with getting older. And so anything that can help with that would be really, you know, appreciative. So next up I have, wow. And I've never heard of this brand, but this is Shanib. Right here. It's 5 brushes, and it comes in a little foil pouch. And so here you are. Take a peek at those. And they're nice and soft. They're a little bit firm. This one's a little bit, you know, not as strong, but they have the eye crease, they have the shadow, they have the concealer. They have the smudge one, which is really, I really appreciate. And this one is for blending, but this is really long. So anyways, those are a nice brush set, you know. So we have from Catherine Madrano Dream, and this is an eau de perfume. Look at that. Nice packaging. Really pretty. And let's see this. Wow, look at this. That is a nice size. Those are not those little ones, you know, they're like this big and you barely get one squirt out of them. But it's very soft and it has a little bit of a citrus to it. So I'm liking this. You know what? I could take that in my purse all day long. So then next up I have is from Trace Stick. This is All Over Starlighter powder stick. I love Trace Stick. They have some of the greatest stuff here. And this is in the color Ultraviolet. And boy, this is going to be a long video because there's so much stuff in this guy. Anyways, isn't that the cutest presentation? Look at that. And then you open it up. Wow, and it has a little turn. And then let's put this on the back of my hand. Let me put on this one. Wow, that is some color right there. That is beautiful, and that is a really nice lavendery color, and you can blend that down. And you know what? It goes on, and then it just comes to a powder, and wow, look at that. And that is incredible. I'm gonna be loving this. This is my new color right now. I'm really enjoying it. Then we have, what is this? Palomar, I don't know, it's in French. Anyways, you take a peek at it and you tell me what it is. Can you see it? I don't know. Right here. This looks like a, you know, some kind of a lip kind of balm, because you usually see that kind of a tip on it. Let's see if there's a color. And you know what? Nothing's coming out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's a lip balm. No smell to it. It's very clear. No problem. So anyways, next up we've got here is from Fully Fire. It's a matte manipulation. Okay, and there it is. Let me show you the packaging, and let me open it up. And this is in the color Sunset Boulevard. And let's, ooh, look at that. I think I've seen this before. And look at this. Ooh, that is a color right there. So let me put this on the back of my hand. That is a beautiful color. That is a great neutral. Really pretty. I could use that one. I love this one. This is going to get a lot of use and loving for me. Then we have from Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion right here. And it's a nice size. It's, you know, it's not the little guy like this, but it's a nice size, and it gives you a lot of you know, use instead of just the one or two little, you know, tries and you can get it going. I think this is really nice, especially in your pocketbook. And then last but not least, from Grace and Stella, this rose ain't thorny. And you know what this is. This is a rose roller. And these are all the rage right now. And I have one already, but mine's green. But this one is pink. This is rose quartz. Look at this, right? And to use these, what you can do is you put on a face mask and then have that on, or any serum after you do the cleaning and all that other stuff, and then you have your mask or your serum on it and just kind of rub it on. And you use this end for the face, and you start at the chin, and then this end right here is for the orbital area right here and under here, and then under your eyes. But to really pack the punch, put this in the refrigerator, not the freezer, but the refrigerator, and get it nice and cool, and it'll help you with your puffiness that you might have. Really loving these, and I just love it. And look at the inside of this. This is so cool. Let me put it back in here. Now, isn't that a presentation or what? So I'm pretty darn happy with this box. It's pretty good. You know, the Ultimate, I think it was well worth my money. I really love this roller, and especially the rest of the stuff. So let me know how you like this box this month. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the little card inside, but it is what it is. So anyways, let me know what you got in your box, and I'd really appreciate any feedback. And don't forget a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Take care. Bye-bye.